Fortnite. Right here, I'm gonna pick somebody off the roof, V. See, I ain't playing smart. How we down 10 and I died twice? Watch, we got somebody on the road. If y'all can't play, stop running in the middle and getting killed. So you're fucking the score up. Hide up top or something and use a sniper gun. We're down 10, not too bad. We're down 10. Let me see if I can get some people. Fuck, I fell. Fuck me!
Oh, no.
They got auto aim on this bitch.
Dang it.
Oh no, I'm using this for my mic, bro.
Gee.